What's up guys, a report published by the Elect last month claimed that the Samsung Galaxy S11 will come equipped with a 5x optical zoom camera. Now, a leaked benchmark listing has surfaced online, suggesting that the Samsung Galaxy S11 series will have taller screen than the company's current flagship phones. The Samsung Galaxy S11 will launch in Feb 2020, so it's a bit too early to get excited about the rumors that say the Galaxy S11 might have a display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. But Samsung has been testing a display like this, according to the findings of the Dutch blog Galaxy Club. The site has been a steady source of Samsung rumors, and it has now discovered an HTML5 benchmark test for a Samsung device believed to be a Samsung Galaxy S11 prototype. The Galaxy S11 Plus variant coming up with a placeholder SMG416U model number on the HTML5 benchmark database. While the listing doesn't include a lot of information, it does suggest that the upcoming Samsung flagship will use a taller 20:9 aspect ratio. Unlike most other Android flagship smartphones released this year, Samsung's 2019 flagship smartphones feature a 19:9 aspect ratio. It is possible that the move to a taller aspect ratio would mean the Galaxy S11 Plus will be narrower than the Galaxy S10 Plus and also have slimmer bezels. Along with the screen's aspect ratio, the benchmark listing also reveals the device is currently being tested on Android 10. This is hardly a surprise, however, as the entire Galaxy S11 lineup is expected to ship with Android 10 right out of the box. Similar to the Galaxy S10 series, Samsung may even introduce a minor refresh of its One UI skin with the Galaxy S11 series. The score is not essential here, but the screen aspect ratio is. The Galaxy S10 has a 19:9 aspect ratio, so a bump to 20:9 means the Galaxy S11 would be slightly taller than its predecessors. Either that or Samsung will shave off additional millimeters from the phone's bezels to make room for some extra screen real estate. The second option isn't just better, it's also more likely. With about 5 months to go until the Samsung Galaxy S11 launches, things can always change. This may be just one of the several Galaxy S11 prototypes Samsung is testing right now, and it might not be the final design for the handset. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.